Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Genesis RGB backlight keyboard. This is the model RHOD 420 RGB, and we've got an RGB Primo effect, WASD, 19 keys anti-ghosting, anti-ghosting for 19 keys, heavy duty, Windows key lock, 6-zone RGB backlight, arrow function change to WASD, multimedia function keys, foldable feet, modern design, anti-slip rubber feet. Here you can see the membrane mechanism, keycaps, upper case, silicone membrane, top PCB layer, backlight layer, bottom PCB layer, metal plate at bottom case. Some specs here. Wired 1.6 meter is the cable length. Key number is 104. Multimedia macro keys is 12. Number of backlight colors 8. And all Windows XP 7, 8 and 10. Okay, let's see what we have of course inside. Okay, first look, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice. And of course we've got the metallic keyboard. And here it is with a cable. Here we've got the Genesis logo, RHOD 420, NUM caps and SKR and lock windows LEDs. This is an aluminium. Let's see from the other side. You can adjust it, the height, how much suitable for you. To adjustable length. Here it is. It cost only, I don't remember how much, you can see on internet, online, but it's a good price, a value of money for this keyboard that you're getting. Well, let's connect it and to see how it works. Okay, let's connect it. Oh, and here we are. You can see the backlight. I think it's very nice. Well, you're getting the idea how it looks. And let's play some Mortal Kombat to see in action. And before playing, you can push the button and you close the light, or with the F knee you can reduce the light or increase it. And with the F knee you can do more functions to work with this keyboard. Okay, and after playing a little bit of Mortal Kombat, something else that I can see, if you push the F-knee and the W, you can change the arrow keys with the WACD. And for the lighting effect, if you're putting the F-knee and the 5, you're getting some other effects. What is more suitable for you and what you're like, definitely you're going to find out. F-knee and 1 to 9. Okay, that was all about, guys, and we are close to the end of the video. I think this is a great keyboard. I like it. The backlight. Well, thank you for watching my video. Like or dislike my video is your choice, of course. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. You don't want to miss it. And subscribe and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice, great night. Bye bye.